Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you our August-December mini catalog unboxing. The pre-order for Demonstrators started July 1st, and I've just got my box of goodies in. So let me set this catalog aside, and I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, I am going to start with this beautiful autumn stamp set, and the great news is it comes with a grouping of 3 punches that coordinate with it, and you can get this in a bundle. Wonderful for fall. So let me set that aside, and I'll show you some of the fall ribbons that we have. There's this beautiful mint and copper 2-pack, and then we have these fun little acorns. Let me open this up so you can see. These are copper colored, and they're little trinkets that are just absolutely adorable and detailed. And then we have this beautiful woven ribbon that will also work with the autumn projects really well. And here's a fun autumn set, Love of Leaves. I love the beautiful sentiments in here and the font they used. And then there's this great set of dies that will coordinate with this stamp set called the Stitch Leaf dies, so you know it's got some fantastic stitching on it. Next I'm going to show you another bundle. This happens to be our Banner Year bundle, and it has another one of our Pick Your Tag punches. This is going to be a great stamp set that takes you through the end of the year and all the holidays. So I think this is going to be fun also. For fall, we also have this wonderful ribbon. It's really soft and gorgeous. And then we have this wonderful cobweb embossing folder and these really cool iridescent pearls. I hope you can see the shimmer on those. Perfect for our fall projects. Moving on to Christmas, I've got this fun, quirky little gnome for the holidays. I think this is right on trend and is going to be a lot of fun to work with. And of course, for me, anything with a penguin is a must. So this Freezing Fun stamp set comes with coordinating dies when you purchase the bundle. It's going to be a lot of fun to work with. And another bundle that you can get, the Snowflake Wishes. This has coordinating So Many Snowflake dies, which are simply gorgeous, and some beautiful sentiments in it. Some of the items that will coordinate with these winter sets are the Winter Snowflake Embossing Folder, these fun little adhesive back snowflakes, gorgeous blue self-adhesive gems in 2 different colors, and this beautiful shimmery white ribbon. I love ribbons, and so this catalog gives us a ton of choices for the holidays. We have this sheer ribbon, and then these 2 that have the metallic edging to them, along with the cord and this gorgeous thicker ribbon done in a 2-pack. We also have some wonderful gems, and I hope you can see this. This has a little bit of flecking in the clear ones to bring in that metallic pop, along with a set of our mini cut and emboss folders. This one happens to be wrapped in texture, and finally this gorgeous background Evergreen Forest 3D. I hope you can see that. It's just going to be simply beautiful. We also have these wonderful little tins that you can get for decorating and gift giving. They're a nice size, and they're done in the silver metallic. I think they're going to be a lot of fun to decorate. We also have a round tin that you can get from this mini catalog. And on to our favorite thing, designer series paper. We've got 2 new 6x6 stacks. This one is called 'Tis the Season, and then we also have this wonderful plaid tidings. I just love these patterns for the winter season that takes you through the fall all the way into the new year. We have a beautiful brushed metallic that will work with our Gilded Autumn set of designer series paper, and then we have this beautiful snowflake pattern designer series paper and a gorgeous blue glimmer paper for us. This next pack is called Trimming the Town and has fun little winter scenes. And here's the Poinsettia Planting Place. This is an absolutely gorgeous suite with an option of vellum that is just striking. Heartwarming Hugs is the next package for the holidays. And if you're into the Halloween season, here's a wonderful package called Magic in This Night. Wonder of the season is a packet paper that is filled with this beautiful metallic foiling. And last but not least, we have some returning designer series papers. I'm so excited about this. This was such a popular scenery paper. Feels like frost in the 6x6, so we can get this again. Along with some of the other accessories that I showed you earlier will work beautifully with this paper. We've also got the brightly gleaming paper that was so popular and we ran out of last fall. Great news, the stamp set and punches will be available again along with our favorite mousse punch. And finally, our toile paper. This was so popular and wonderful for cards. That's returning. That's it for my sneak peek today from the August-December mini catalog. If you'd like to be able to order these products early, you can join my team and become a demonstrator. Feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to tell you more about the opportunity. I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek, and I hope you'll check out my calendar for my virtual August-December mini catalog kickoff. Thanks for joining me.